Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ChillFam token. Ticker symbol is ChillFam, all one word, and this token is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, trending #1 on DEX Screener right now in the Solana section, doing very well. This token, it only came out around 6 hours ago, and it's already up almost 5,000%. We're going to go over the information on the ChillFam token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the ChillFam token, you can find listed on SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Bird Eye. Those are all great places to see the price and the chart. Now this token was created on a web page for creating Solana meme coins, called pump.fun, and you can tell because the contract address ends in pump. And this token here, they have a Telegram, ChillFam Guy, at ChillFam Guy on Telegram. They have 710 subscribers. It says, "We're not running the world, we're strolling." And then it has, you can preview the Telegram channel before joining, but that Telegram is going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, announcements, all that type of stuff there. And along with their Twitter too, which is going to be in the corner of the screen here as usual. Another great place to see all sorts of updates regarding this project. This Twitter just joined in September 2024, 554 followers. Has a link to a webpage right there, chillfamlyguy.xyz, and a TikTok as well, at ChillFamlyGuy on Twitter as well. 26 posts, and looks like they do have some contests going on in their pinned tweet from 2 hours ago, and you can check that out. They're giving away some SOL, so they have all sorts of cool updates like that. But basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So from the you could download a Trust wallet, a MetaMask wallet, a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage right there, or DEX Tools, DEX Screener, SolScan, etc. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Now you may have to set slippage. If there's taxes, I don't think it is because I haven't seen anything about taxes as of yet. But you can also probably get this token off Jupiter, Meteora, excuse me, or Orca, which are other Solana decentralized exchanges. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, so just be aware of that. Now, excuse me. So if you go over to their webpage, you can also find links to their socials and their DEX Tools, DEX Screener chart, and you can see a picture of the whole family. There's a link to buy the token. It says, "Meet the Chill Family, a family so relaxed, even the dog smirks at life's nonsense. Dad's motto, if it's not broken, don't fix it. If it is, just sit on it. Mom's superpower, can handle 5 screaming kids while sipping tea without spilling a drop. The Dog's Job, a full-time vibe curator in sneakers, never fetched a ball but always fetches compliments. And Grandpa, a mobility scooter with flames painted on it and a stereo blasting the 80s classics. And the Family Hangouts is going to be barbecues where the grill's hot but nobody's in a rush to eat. And so yeah, they have the contract address buy button on their webpage. That'll take you right to RAYDIUM, so you could use that if you like as well. Now, how is this token doing? Well, it's trending #1 on DEX Screener right now. They have been promoting themselves a lot with ads. They have the marketing boost button. It says 8,000 lightning bolts, trending #1. And they have a market cap right now of $7.1 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $18 million. And they've had 115,076 transactions in the past 24 hours. And they're up 6,000% in the past 24 hours as well. And this token pair was only created 6 hours, 14 minutes ago. So hot off the press, this token doing very well. And it says they have 746 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 31,610,000 pooled ChillFam tokens. Now they have here a quick audit that you could find on DEX Screener. It says contract is not freezable and no mintable tokens. So that's good. We could check out another quick audit here in a second. It also says here that their liquidity in RAYDIUM is $365,000, and 99.9% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is a little bit more than half a penny right now. It is 0.0054 USD. And let's go over to DEX Screener here. We could see their other quick audit. To DEX Tools. So on DEX Tools, you could find a quick Intel security audit. It doesn't go over everything. Keep in mind that there's also no KYC for this token or full audit or anything like that. Now they have 29,660 holders, it says so far. Doing extremely well, this token. Total supply for this token is 1 billion tokens, and that's also the circulating supply. And lastly, their quick audit here by Quick Intel Security says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. And they also got a DEX score of 99 out of 99 on DEX Tools. So go check out the Chill Family token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.